EcoCAR 2 is a 3-year collegiate student engineering competition that builds on a 23-year history. It's established by the U.S. Department of Energy and General Motors and is the only program of its kind. 15 universities across North America are challenged to re-engineer a 2013 Chevy Malibu to minimize energy consumption and reduce emissions without compromising consumer acceptability, performance, or safety. EcoCAR 2 provides students with a hands-on engineering experience, both exposure to world-class organizations and industry-standard tools.
The University of Waterloo Alternatives Fuels team is comprised of students from both the University of Waterloo and Wilfrid Laurier University. We research, design, and implement advanced vehicle technologies to current gasoline-powered vehicles. In addition to this, we educate the public about hybrid technologies and alternative fuels, as well as raise environmental awareness through our public outreach events and social media initiatives.
As part of the competition, each team is required to design a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. When our team sat down and looked at all the different combinations of fuel types, motor sizes, and architectures, we realized there's literally thousands of different options. So the challenge that faced our team is picking the right one, and that's when we turned to FleetCarma.
FleetCarma is actually a division of CrossChasm Technologies. The majority of the team here have graduated from advanced vehicle technology competitions, just like EcoCAR 2.
I'm Matt Stevens. I was co-team captain of UWAFT from 2004 to 2006, and I'm co-founder and CEO of CrossChasm.
Hey, I'm Christian. I was a member of UWAFT for EcoCAR, the next challenge, and I'm currently working at CrossChasm on the controls engineering team.
FleetCarma offers a system to fleet managers to help them make better informed purchase decisions. We do this by taking a data logger and clipping it into Fleet's current vehicles for about 3 weeks. We then take that information and inform a vehicle model to simulate what you would get in an electric vehicle, so that Fleet Manager determines the total cost of ownership of your next vehicle before it's even in your fleet.
FleetCarma helped us make an informed decision on our vehicle architecture. Their technology collects drive cycle data by using an onboard data logger. We collect over 170,000 kilometers worth of driving data. That's like driving from Vancouver to Halifax 28 times. From this data, we were able to extrapolate and process key metrics. These metrics include average speed, trip distance, acceleration, power, and load requirements. We use this data to determine driving habits of a broad customer segment. For example, we found Canadians don't exceed 150 kilometers per hour top speed, and 80% of Canadians drove 70 kilometers or less per day. These patterns form a set of technical targets which we use in the design process. We learned that we need to design a vehicle that would give us roughly 70 kilometers of driving per charge. We therefore picked a battery that met these specifications. Thanks to FleetCarma, we were able to translate our driving habits into technical specifications. Ultimately, we're building a vehicle that meets customers' needs.
FleetCarma's system helps organizations reduce their vehicle cost, fuel consumption, and emissions to advance the adoption of electric vehicles now and into the future.